So Tesla and Microsoft announced their earnings, and this is why we have a huge spike right after hours. So Microsoft, let's take a look first. A little disappointing. I bought a little bit more of Microsoft in the past few days. Even today, 5 hours ago, I spent around $225, so a little bit over a share. And then this one was a big one at 213 average price. I bought almost 14 shares. So Microsoft actually went down after hours after they posted their earnings, and the reason why is because their cloud services are down, so their sales are not doing as good as people thought they were, and so after hours they were at 211 and they went all the way down to 205. So this is a little disappointing, but knowing that Microsoft is an amazing company, it's an amazing growth stock and they pay really good dividends as well with a 0.94% dividend yield. I still have pretty good confidence in Microsoft, so I'm gonna leave that money there. Looking at Tesla, Tesla is the one that actually did go up. I told you guys I was gonna buy a call for Tesla, but I didn't want to risk like $10,000 to do that. For example, if we go to like trade options, it's $6,000, but this one is expiring on Friday. But if we were to do like next Friday, it's $101 per share. There's 100, so you spend 10 grand at least, which is a little bit too much money for me right now, considering my portfolio is for like $50,000. So that's a fifth of my portfolio on a call that I could lose it all. That was a little bit too much risk for me. But I do have 12 shares of Tesla, a little bit over, 12.6, and it did go up a lot today. After hours, it went up pretty much 5-6%, which is amazing. They released their earnings, and it was a lot better than people were expecting. They delivered about 90,000 cars, and people were expecting around 80, and so they did a lot more profit than people were thinking. And if you look at the market cap at 295 billion, this is a lot bigger than any other car company in the world. Toyota, General Motors, Ford, you name it. Tesla is killing it right now. And so our return today is $1,500, about 7%, so that's not bad. That's pretty good. What I wanted to talk to you guys about today was AMD. AMD is killing it. AMD was like at $55 earlier this week. Yeah, like 53, 54, and then it picked up speed. And I made a video earlier of how I sold a call last week on Friday when AMD was 55, and I made $74 off premium. Well, that same contract is now worth $5 a share, which is about $500. So I made $74 in premium, but if I would have waited till today, I could have made $500. And this is because I have two contracts with them. So I missed out on $500 per contract. That's $1,000 that I missed out on. And the reason why AMD is up 13% today for the week and almost 9% just today is because they released in the morning their new chips that they're using for PC. It's going to be a 7 nanometer, which is something that other companies are not yet doing. And this has grabbed a lot of hype behind the company, and now they're worth a lot more. So I definitely missed out on $1,000, and that kind of sucks, but I'm just going to take it as it is, right? I sold a call, I made money. I could have made more, but I didn't lose any money. As long as we don't lose money, we're going to keep making more and more and more off premium. Yes, I could have made $1,000 extra right here, but it is what it is. This is how the wheel works. And so I'm just going to let this expire, and next week I'm going to sell more AMD calls. That's pretty much all for today. I'll keep you guys posted on what happens next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.